Good evening, guys. This is a little newer thing for me. I usually shoot in the morning, but tonight I wanted to shoot this one. I just got wind of this new update here for Amazon sellers, and I want to bring it to everyone's attention as it will beneficially impact your business. So this update is of today, it looks like. I'm just going to read this part verbatim. COVID-19 has impacted millions of people and businesses around the world. We thank you for your understanding as we have focused on providing a vital service by delivering high priority items to customers while implementing extensive health and safety measures for our employees across the network to support their well-being. In light of the evolving COVID-19 crisis, we will waive 2 weeks of your inventory storage fees for products stored in the US, Canada, UK, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Poland, and the Czech Republic. This is in addition to the previously announced updates, including, but not limited to, waiving the April 15th long-term storage fees for inventory stored in the US and Europe, pausing repayments and interest until April 30th for sellers with direct loans from Amazon Lending, and waiving April fees for those using Seller Central Management or the Launchpad program. So this is really great, you guys. For me personally, I had 75 units that were going to incur long-term storage fees that I was going to remove. Now I don't have to worry about that for now. They're pushing that out at least 30 days, it sounds like. Also, I'm going to save hundreds of dollars with the 2 weeks of storage fees, I'm assuming. So that's great. That should positively affect your business as well. I want to thank everyone for responding with your awesome encouragement and thankfulness for the interview I did with Hayden. Also, the last couple of videos I put out, I'm glad that those provide you guys with some good value. And continue to let me know what types of videos you want, what information you want to learn about. I have this new little thing that's kind of a helpful addition to my business that I've been doing is I bring home a box, and here's the box right there. I bring home a box now every day to list, just like when my wife and kid go to bed. Usually it's about like 30 to 35 books. But if you can do that every day, it's so easy to just list that many books. You know, for me specifically, that's going to be, 900 to 1,000 books in 30 days over a month's time. So that's a lot of additional books listed that can help you build your inventory and just bring in more revenue for yourself right there. These are all being listed MF, so they will be live immediately, and hopefully we'll get some sell-through on that. As always, guys, like if you liked the video. Hopefully those updates were beneficial to you and that you were excited to hear those. The last thing I did want to mention was I saw there's a lot of buzz generating around getting that $10,000 grant from the Small Business Administration. I suppose if you need the grant, go ahead and fill that thing out. I don't know the specifics on it, but it sounds like it's a good deal either way. If you don't get, approved for the grant, I guess you can still get a loan. I already filed for a loan with the SBA a while back with how low the interest rates are. I got pre-approved, and I'm talking to lenders shopping around right now. So I'll let you guys know what happens with that. But I'm only taking a loan if it's a very, very small percentage. I mean, apparently it's 0% interest to like 2.5% or something like that. So I would like to get 0%. I can definitely use that money to expand the inventory. I'm also looking at getting a forklift from my buddy Brandon. So we'll see what happens with that. All right, guys, please like if you liked. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And I promise you will find some value, if not today, along the road. And I thank you guys for watching as always. Get out there, kill it. Have a good night, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.